This is video game development, and my name is Linton Porteous. And they said I had to make this video in 1 minute, so I'm going to try and do that. I thought I would try and talk about what makes video game development. And so one of the things we do is we look at color theory and we investigate, how to implement that kind of thing. Like, why does the Hulk wear purple shorts? We also talk about some game design things, like what a spatial representation is, and it's a glowing trail in a game that we can see, but the character in the game probably can't. And we also do some math, but it's applied mathematics. So we're trying to figure out probability, for example, of you being able to figure something out in a game. So we do some math, but it's applied. And then we do a whole bunch of stuff with 3D modeling. We've switched over now from like my teaching materials into like student work. So this is Traveling Cactus Studios 3D model for a production logo that a student made. This one's a 3D scene in which the student has textured this castle, made the lights, applied the fog, made the trees appear, and done all this good stuff. We also do rigging, which is where you take a character and turn it into kind of like an action figure inside the computer. In this case, the student has made the Flash and also found a model of an old lady to make this scene here. Talking of student work, let's get rid of that and have a look at some animated stuff. So this is some liquid simulation modeling going on here. And then in the next video, we've got an interesting scene here. The student is not actually holding anything, but we've made it appear as if there's a plant there using a cunning 3D technique, a little bit of CGI there. There is no real plant. And in this last video, we've got a game that the students made in a 3D game engine. So they're trying to destroy the fruit while it jumps up in the air. What else can we do with animations? Well, we could make the entire Earth and then make a satellite fly past, or a big satellite spaceship type thing going flying past the Earth there. And in a sort of advanced technique, one of the students figured out how to make Batman's cape flow beautifully and also put some background music on. So making Batman's cape flow out from behind him is quite a cunning thing to be able to do. And putting all of that stuff to one side, we also make games like this one where you can shoot a giant laser at a spaceship. That's actually just a test, which was also figuring out some complex math. Sometimes we build parts of games, like in this one, the little man can run around and jump, but we haven't actually finished turning that into a game yet. And we do some old classics as well, like Brick Breaker, where you can bounce the ball around and destroy the bricks. And oh no, now I'm just going to start playing a game in front of you. I shouldn't do that, should I? So that's video game development in a minute, maybe a little bit more. And that's the kind of stuff we would do if you joined the course. So thank you.